Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Christina. If you're new here, I make new videos every single week. This week I thought it'd be really fun to do a what I eat in a day summer edition. So the very first thing that I do is I come down, fill up my glass with some water to stay hydrated. I love water, so I drink a lot of water throughout the day. And then I go ahead and have breakfast. So I'm just gonna have mango and banana for breakfast. I eat very light in the mornings, so that's just what I'm having today. And mango is in season right now, so it's extra juicy and super good. So once I finish preparing my breakfast, I will sit down at our kitchen table and I'll do a little prayer over the meal, and then I'll go ahead and check out my social media. Usually it's like all of the stuff I missed from Instagram the night before. I kind of go to bed early. I'm kind of a grandma like that. And then I'll also just respond to DMs or anything on YouTube. For lunch lately, I have been loving green smoothies, and it makes it so much easier to prepare when I have these Ziploc bags that are in my freezer already good to go for whatever smoothie I'm having that day. So this week I have spinach, but a lot of times I have kale as well, and then I have an apple sliced up, and then I have just a small handful of banana because I don't use ice. So I have all of that I go ahead and add half an avocado, and then I drizzle drizzle some honey into it, and then add a cup of water, and then I go ahead and blend it all together, and oh my goodness, you guys, it is so good and just so easy and quick to do. This green smoothie is so good, and I do modify the recipe a little bit because it's just for myself, but I'll go ahead and leave the recipe link down below in the description box for you. I love trying out new dinner recipes, especially if they're Asian inspired, so I went ahead and found this chicken pad thai recipe on Pinterest, and I'll leave that in the description box below too. And that's what we had for dinner. I'm not going to talk through it, so you guys can just kind of watch, but spoiler alert, it turned out so good. you guys enjoyed this video and what I eat in a day. I'll see you guys next week. Bye!